How's it going, everybody? It's Christian L here with Eat Like an Apex. This morning we are here in Tracy, California. We are visiting a friend of mine as he has began to start his own channel and first time trying new things. And today's video is going to be his first time doing a 12-hour sous vide rib cook and other varieties of dishes on top of that as well. So I was invited here to come check out the cooking process, enjoy the food, enjoy the company, and I'm excited to show you everything in this video today. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hope you find time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that, and I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now. Brought our Class B motorhome, van living, van traveling, loving it. There's Shauna getting ready, getting that braid on. How to braid hair. Yeah. Hello, so
How are you?
hi.
I'm Hale. Back here.
Okay, this is Max's wife, Lita. Hi. What up? There he is.
How are you? Good to see you. How are you?
Max, a friend of mine, and I already told him that he's starting his channel on doing trying new things.
Yes.
And today was the first time doing a
12-hour baby back ribs sous vide. Sous vide them for 12 hours and smoke them for 3 hours.
cool. Tell them about your channel.
Yes, the channel is about first time just doing anything, and it could be anything. I've struggled with ribs. I've had so many problems with ribs. I've epic fail after epic fail. But I started YouTubing and decided that I'm gonna sous vide them and then smoke it.
Big time support my friend here, and we're gonna continue enjoying the day today. So let's do this.
Set the ribs on the rack like this. Clean the rack, and we're gonna close this, and we're good to go. We're gonna leave this in there for 3 hours. They've been sous vide for 12, smoked for 3. It's hope for a good outcome, guys.
Big time support my friend here, and we're gonna continue enjoying the day today. So let's do this. So this is the Traeger, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so Max sous vide those ribs for 12 hours? 12 hours, right, okay.
Vacuum sealed bag. I seasoned it, put them in there. I set the temperature for 155 degrees. Let it cook for the last 12 hours. It cooked basically in its own juices.
Nice.
So when I opened it up, oh my gosh.
Nice.
Christian,
Yeah.
the smell was incredible.
Oh, incredible. And now we're gonna get to the smoking part, and so stay tuned. Check it out, it's just smoking, and oh man, yeah. That Traeger is getting to work. Oh yeah, that smells. I'm certainly getting hungry. Max also added on top of our menu some salmon. So salmon is an option that we're gonna try today. Excited to try the salmon and especially those ribs.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. There you go.
That's what I'm talking about. So what Max did, he layered some more of that sauce onto those ribs to give it some more flavor. You can never go wrong with more sauce, and absolutely, looks fantastic.
I'm just gonna turn these ribs over. They look beautiful. A few more minutes. I'm just waiting for the salmon to be finished, and we'll be eating.
We are approaching the moment that we've been waiting for. The food looks like it's about done. We're gonna begin the extraction process.
Okay, so the ribs are now complete. So we're gonna put them in the plate like this. This is what they look like. I'm gonna come back for the salmon, so I'll be right back.
Okay, so yeah, those ribs look fantastic. Now we're going back to get the salmon.
One tip over on me. Okay, so that's it. We've got our salmon, we've got our ribs, and now we're gonna sit down and we're gonna see how all this came out.
And there's tongs on this.
Okay, yeah.
Nicely packaged oil.
Broccoli?
Sure.
Super tender. They're cutting like, I mean, it's effortless, pretty much effortless to cut them.
Yeah.
The smoker gives it a nice finish, which is very nice. Ribs have always been difficult for me, and we're gonna try something different. I guess try until you succeed, right, guys?
Okay, so as Max continues to cut those, or you smell that aroma, you smell those different spices.
Okay.
Thank you. Go for it. Oh, the potatoes look amazing too.
You like ribs too?
Oh man, my family loves ribs. Okay guys, we are here at Max and Lita's house, and again, we've seen the expertise behind the cooking, so I am excited to try the food here. Max made the 12-hour sous vide ribs with a 3-hour smoke on the Traeger. So Max, are you ready to do this?
Yes.
Yeah. So let's take a rib. I'm just gonna go hands.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to see
We can cheers.
Okay.
We can
here you
cheers.
go.
This ready?
Rib.
All right, ribs.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Okay.
All right,
Let's do that.
and bite. Oh wow.
Wow. Super tender, but the flavor and juicy. Ah.
Yeah, he was absolutely right. That first bite was like fall off the bone. Tender, that flavor, that smoke, that the seasoning on it, and he uses the Sweet Baby honey barbecue sauce that adds the sweetness to it. Yeah, that meaty goodness, man.
It's the combination of the sauce with
Right.
the seasoning
Yeah.
that is just amazing.
Ooh, I love that. And there's meaty pieces, there's fatty pieces, but everything is just so soft and just like, oh, like butter. Oh, so good.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, really that play on with the honey barbecue sauce is a great addition to it. But you don't have to add the sweetness. If you don't want to, you can have it as is. It's still tender. It's still juicy, moist. Oh wow. Yeah, loving it.
My ribs previously had been epic fails, and it's just the sous vide.
Yeah. It did it, huh?
Did it. Yeah.
It did it. I'm gonna do the same thing real quick, okay? I'm gonna just bite this one off here. It's almost like a meat lollipop right now. Yeah, the meat lollipop. Yes. Oh wow. Oh, smell that
It's
too.
really good.
Yeah, Mateo, big fan of Pop's food. Yeah. Lita, how do you like it?
Very good. Delicious.
Okay, I'm gonna chase it with some potatoes real quick. I'm gonna try those potatoes that Lita made. Those potatoes. Oh wow. Yeah.
Look to me.
That just complements each other. The ribs and potatoes.
Yeah.
Man, this combination, it just works. I love it.
Actually, I've never smoked salmon by itself. I haven't tried the salmon.
Oh, here.
I'm gonna try it.
I'll cheers with you. Yeah. Okay. Boom.
Boom.
All right. And bite. Oh wow.
Perfect. The 1 hour of smoking just salmon. I've just put salmon on the grill.
Yeah.
I seasoned it with Himalayan salt. My goodness.
Oh, that is soft.
So
that
much.
is also something that you want to have too, along with this dish with the ribs. Yeah, salmon cooked just perfectly. Those hints of Himalayan salt, the pink edition. You taste that smokiness of it, and the texture of that salmon is fantastic. Okay, I'm gonna try some of the veggies real quick here. Oh wow. Those steamed vegetables are great. Oh, they're very, very soft. Again, there's a perfect like combo plate right here. Like good home cooked combination, ribs, mashed potatoes, steamed veggies, that salmon. Oh wow. Yeah.
But we're out here like cooking, and smoking.
Yeah, we didn't mention that. It's about 104 degrees out here. And it is
We don't control the weather.
everyone's doing a good job though. Look at that. Everyone's doing a good job.
Fall off the bone.
Fall at the bone? Yeah?
I could eat this all day.
Yeah, it is.
Frank,
Perfectly cooked
and then
rib.
thunder and lightning.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
It was.
Oh wow.
We haven't seen it here.
Cheers.
You like it?
Get this
Cut
out.
the heat of my house, bro.
Oh man, I love
We get better than that.
Oh man, this is just a solid combination right here. Rib and potatoes, perfect, perfect.
Oranges and
Yeah, man.
tomatoes.
Perfect, perfect.
That's what kids are saying these days when they ask them.
So Max is cutting me another piece of rib. I'm gonna combo that with the Hawaiian bread. Okay, and bite. And bread.
What is it?
Oh yeah, great combination.
I've seen many people outside of
What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add that meat inside of that Hawaiian bread, like a sandwich. Pork rib sandwich with the Hawaiian bread right here.
We'll cool off and
Hold on.
cool the drink. Make you a rib slider? Really?
Rib slider.
My goodness. That wasn't on the menu.
No.
Christian,
No.
you're deviating from the menu a little bit. It's okay. It's okay.
If I could, I'd probably, yeah, I would. I would add everything inside of the sandwich. The veggies, the mashed potatoes, the fish. Look at that salmon. Two different flavor profiles, but they both work. Oh yeah, it was good. Yeah, those mashed potatoes are nice and like slightly creamy, like just very smooth and warming. So we're indoor right now. Oh, so it was hot out there.
It was hot.
And I nearly finished. I pretty much finished most of my food. Right, everything's all gone now. You can see here. Everything is all gone.
Dropped your glass. What is it?
Wow. So these are pineapple delights. Just look at that presentation.
Over there?
Pineapple delights from Lita with the whipped cream and a cherry on top. Ooh, wow. And bite. Oh yeah, that is very like smooth, like slightly frothy from the whip, but that's just like pudding, like literally, wow. Yeah, you do taste a hint of pineapple. It's sweet. Oh yeah, it's delicious. Perfect addition to that. It's nice and cooling, refreshing. Yeah. Thank you, Lita. That was great. We are complete with the first time.
MTF?
We don't know the name yet, but
Yeah, we're working on the name.
We're working on it. But the first time ribs with Max and Lita here in Tracy, California. What a delightful time to connect and just enjoy the food, the hospitality. Again, check out Max when he starts doing some more content. He has some great things on the way. Definitely a pleasure to collaborate with him and his first time video.
Yeah,
So this is the first time preparing a YouTube video on this channel. So with that said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. Peace out, one love, late. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Later.
Later.